Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the podcast Plant of the Week. My name is Abby, and
My name's Jose Garcia.
Today's plant we are going to be discussing is called Milo Baker lupin. The species name is Lupinus milo-bakeri, and it is a dicot, tall annual herb, part of the legume or Fabaceae family. And it has blue lavender flowers that are very gorgeously arranged in crowded whorls. And they are about 3 feet tall at full size, averagely, and have a very sturdy taproot. They bloom from June through September, and as the flowers get older, they turn yellow and fall off the plant. And this lupin is only found in the Round Valley in Mendocino County, and it is also part of the California Endangered Species Act, which means that it is legal to kill or possess the plant because they are so endangered. And as for the conservation status, the Milo Baker lupin is currently at risk of extinction because of the lack of agricultural conservation in the Round Valley. And recently, a lot of road maintenance that has been conducted by primarily Caltrans has led to a documented impact in lupin that has been very detrimental to the livelihood of this plant. Consequently, there has been destruction to over half of the Milo Baker lupin's total range, and as a result of herbicide spraying in the 1980s, a gravel shoulder being installed on top of the remaining population in 2002. That remaining population was after the spraying in the 1980s. And then on top of both of those occurrences, the largest remaining Milo Baker lupin population was actually mowed in June of 2016 before the plants had a chance to produce any seeds at all.
Today I'll be talking about the biotic interactions and just some interesting facts about Milo Baker's lupine. To begin with, Milo Baker's lupine is used in bee gardens as previously stated, but is also host to different other organisms. These organisms include caterpillars, butterflies, and moths. These organisms use Milo Baker's lupine to lay and hatch their eggs. Some of these butterflies and moths specifically are the painted lady, Ackman blue, orange sulfur, and the western tussock moth. Some of these butterflies and moths help with the pollination of different plants when they perform their natural processes. This is crucial for the environment and makes Milo Baker's lupine an essential plant to have in the ecosystem. However, there is some downside. The western tussock moth is the reason harvests in the spring are damaged, and farmers also face financial damage. Some interesting facts about Milo Baker lupine are that aside from the creation of roads, one of the other leading causes of the Milo Baker's lupine extinction is farmers destroying the plant. Milo Baker's lupine is toxic to livestock and also causes discomfort in humans when ingested. This is the reason some farmers in the past have eradicated the plant from their grazing lands. A rehabilitation program to grow and stabilize the Milo Baker's lupine population is in effect. The project is between the California Department of Fish and Wildlife, Caltrans, and the local Round Valley Confederated Tribes. It is looking to create a self-sustaining population in the wild using seeds collected from the site Caltrans cut down the plants.
Thank you all so much for listening to our podcast, and I hope you tune in again for next week's Plant of the Week.